In this tutorial, I am going to show you how we can install VLC media player on Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just open any browser and in the browser search for VLC media player, download and press enter. So here you can see vlcmediaplayer.en.softonic.com. So we're going to go to this link. So I'm just going to click here. And here you can see download VLC media player for PC. And here you can see free download for PC button. So we're going to click here. And there you can see your download has started. And there you can see there is a download file over here, exe file. So we just need to now click on this downloaded exe file. And it will open something like this. So we're going to choose the language which will be English. So if you want, you can choose different language, but I recommend you to choose English. Then click on OK. And then here we just need to click here next. And there you can see downloading the product. And I'm going to click here run. Then click on next. And if you want, you can read the agreement, but you can just click here next. Then click on next, and here you can choose where you want to install VLC media player, but I will keep it the default location. Then click on install. So this will install VLC media player on our system, and there you can see it is done. And here you can see the VLC media player icon over here. So we can now just click on finish, and it will launch the VLC media player. So yeah, this is how you can install VLC media player on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.